Hello students, welcome ulit. So, continue tayo with problem number 21. Ano yung problem number 21? Integral of... sorry. 3x squared. 3x squared plus 14x plus 13 over x plus 4 dx. 3x squared, 14x plus 13. Okay? Okay, so I think now initially you might be tempted or you might say that this one or yung denominator itong x plus 4 is actually a factor of this part here, itong quadratic na to nasa numerator, so that ma-simplify parang ganyan, and then you can proceed with an easier function. However, actually in this time I think hindi to factor. Check down natin kung ano ba yung mga factor nito. Tama? I think hindi ito pwedeng factor, no? Pangit tingnan. Tama, hindi talaga ito pwede factor. So, actually, ang approach natin dito is actually long division. So, we will manually divide this one, simplify this, and then, bali, we will have 3 terms, no? Meron tayong 3 terms para dito, and then yun, I think we will proceed. Now, it's up to you. Paano ba ito? Sandali, let me just check meron kasi tayong guide on how to approach this one since meron tayong answer key. Check ko muna yung answer key. Yep, sa answer key natin, it actually consists of 3 terms. So anyway, what we will do is actually long division tayo, and then basically our function will become 3 terms, and then we'll integrate each term, and then the total sum of the integrals will be the integral of the whole function natin. So sa long division, actually hindi ko pwedeng pakita or hindi pwede, I don't know if meron mang paraan dito sa software na ginagamit ko, but I'll just write it manually ha. I don't know kung paano, nakalimutan ko kasi yung, I think may tinuro din yung instructor ko dati, but nakalimutan ko na. So yung division na gagawin ko is parang pang elementary na lang ha. Kalimutan ko yung, may ganito kasi, ang alam ko may ganitong division. Ganito ba yun? Parang ganyan. Na ngayon, nakalimutan ko, medyo matagal na kasi ako nag-calculus. So ganito na lang yung ilalagay ko. That's 3x squared plus 14x plus 13, and then this is divided by x plus 4. Okay, so I think I will divide 3x squared with x, so this will become 3x, diba? And then 3x times x plus 4, so this is 3x squared plus ano to, 3x times 4, that's actually 12x. Okay, and then subtract natin. So 3x squared minus 3x squared, this will be 0. Subtract natin, this will be positive 2x plus 13. And then next, I will divide 2x plus 13 by x plus 4. So I think this will be plus 2, diba? So 2 times x plus 4, this will become 2x plus 2 times, ito to, 2 times 4, that's actually equal to 8. Okay, and then minus, this will become 0, and then 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay, so this will become plus 5, meaning our answer should be 3x plus 2, and then our remainder is plus 5 over x plus 4. Ay, sorry, x plus 4. Okay, so ito na yung bagong function natin, which is actually just the same. Okay, so lalagay ko dito ha. Yan, so this will become integral of, ano yan? 3x plus 2 plus 5 over x plus 4. Okay, and then this time, we can now integrate the individual term. And then after natin ma-integrate the individual term, i-add lang natin yung mga integrals na nakuha natin. And then yun, yan yung sagot natin. Sige. So, the first term, which is 3x, very easily, you can use the second equation, basic equation sa integral. So, we have, this will become 3x squared over 2, di ba? Exponent kasi 2, so divided by 2. And then plus, integral of a constant is just 2 times the variable, no? 2x. And then plus, ito naman, this is 5 over x plus 4. So again, you can set u be equal to, pwede natin sabihin na, parang ganito kasi yan, integral of, oops, sorry. So this is integral of, yan, 5 over x plus 4. So we can let u be equal to x plus 4. So du is just actually equal to dx. Actually, wala nang substitution na mangyayari. And then we will have 5 over u. Parang 5 over u du. Which is, ang derivative nito is just, ang integral nito is ito. Ln absolute of u. Ln, you know, so ln absolute u. So our answer here should be ln sa absolute nitong u, value of u. So nakalimutan ko, no, sa mga previous problems natin, hindi natin ilagay na absolute. So again, absolute yan na, absolute u, and then plus c. Uy, huwag natin kalimutan yung 5. Okay, wherein u is actually equal to, ano ba yung u natin? X plus 4. Okay? And then combining all the terms, our answer should be itong 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2 plus, 3x squared over 2. Ay, sorry. Ay, ito. Ay, ito pala. Yan. Okay, so I think that's it. Sige. So, yan yung sagot natin. Anyway, we have our answer key, man. Let's try to check daw kung same ba sa nakuha nating answer key. Yung nasa book. By the way, the problems were taken from the differential and integral calculus na book ni Feliciano Anoy. I believe the book is still available sa National Bookstore. Yung akin, nabili ko dati, mga 10 years ago, 10, 11 years ago sa National Bookstore. Anong problem? 3x squared plus 2x plus 5 ln x plus 4. Okay, so actually same lang. Sige, so if you have any questions or clarifications, please comment down below. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video natin, which is yung problem number 22.